we're going to see the topic is data structure. It is one of the important topic. It contains is the familiar topics of array. Array is the data structure. Also another one is a linked list. Linked list has the three types: one single linked list, circular linked list, also the double linked list. From the first one, what is the data structure? Data structure is nothing but organizing the data in the particular format. The familiar topic of array we are all learned previous lessons. What is array means? Array is one of the data structure only, and it store the data in the contiguous memory location. It occupies the data by the occupies the address by the data types like integer, float, character. Also the pointer have occupies the 4 bytes of memory. Two indexes access the element. For example, data has the 10 elements. We know to access the point of a of 3 means we easily get by the indexes to the element. From stack, using stack is also get the element in the arrays. Another one is the linked list. A linked list has the three types: single linked list, double linked list, also the circular linked list. What is the linked list is? A linked list is also called the single linked list. If I have the definite number of elements, use array. But don't know the how many element is going to store, it become a dynamic means, so we can't use array. In such case, use the single linked list. It has the different memory location. The pointer points to the next node. In this case, it is the first node. It occupies the 10, and this is the last node. I think it is the tail node to be access the null pointer only. This 10, this is pointer. It accessing the next node of 20. In linked list, we assigning the memory in a different locations. For example, it contains the 1000, and it contains the 2000, and it contains the 4000, and it contains the 3000. In array, not possible to accessing any numbers. It access only the continuous memory locations. By the data types, it occupies the 4 bytes only. So 1000, 1004, 1008, 1012, this is only possible in array. But in the linked list, we use different types of memory locations. Pointer be points. For example, it containing the pointer position from the memory of location to the other. From the next one, implement using structure of single linked list. This is the structure. It implementing the single linked list. It is the this is data types. Int I and character 20. It occupies as the 24 bytes totally, and this is struct node star n. Struct node is a structure name, it given by this, and n is the points to next node. For pointer points to the next of the same type only. So this is called the self-referring node. Because it refers itself. This structure, it's calling this self using this only. This pointer is using like this. This is in the example program. In this case, it using the integer and starling. It is 4 bytes. It is 4 bytes. Totally 8 bytes it occupied. Star p and star q in the structure name. In this case, p equal to malloc size of struct node means it indicates as the dynamic memory allocations. So p's value is size of the struct node. Size of the struct node is 8 bytes. So it contains 8 bytes. It contains 8 bytes. P and q both are contains 8 bytes. From the last case, size of p and size of q. Size of p is indicating the data types only. So p is containing the pointer. Pointer is occupied as the 4 bytes only. So it has the 4 and it has the 4. Only the 8 bytes is occupied. Next one is circular linked list. It's familiar to all. normally we it indicates the header node and it indicates the tail node. It contains the null only, but in this cases last and this null node is going to be the head node. This is called the circular singly linked list. So usually last node is null, but in the circular linked list last node is points to the first node. From this double linked list, it occupies the memories dynamically. It has the two pointers. Each node has the previous and the next node. Here we see this is previous and next node and this all nodes. And the main advantages of this doubly linked list is inserting node and deleting node is very easy. Inserting node is immediately in between anywhere we inserted. But in the singly linked list, it's not easy to inserting anywhere in that. From the head files to traversing all the nodes to insert or deleting the node. This is implement structure in the doubly linked list. This is the program to be implemented. It has also the character name, int, character address. This is the one the students details. It containing the data types 1 2 3 4. 4 data types is included, and this is it has the two pointers. Already told no. Double linked list has the two pointers. One is a star p is indicates as the single students detail, and star n is going to be the next. Simply it called p is to be previous and n is to be next in the doubly linked list.